Hey guys, welcome to S Motorsports. Thanks for joining back in. So today, got a fun video. We're gonna do some exhaust, as you saw in the thumbnail. We're gonna compare the Camaro to the Trans Am, see which one is louder. So my guess is the Trans Am is actually going to be louder, since that is actually headers, no cats, dual exhaust, going to some glass packs. It's pretty loud. The Camaro obviously is all factory exhaust, NPP. So this is the DB meter that I got. Picked this up on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description. I just wanted something basic to just kind of mess around with, to see different how loud the exhausts are. Hope you guys like the exhaust video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more fun videos like this. Thanks.